What's up traders? If you are looking for a way to make consistent profits with ease, then you are in the right place. Today I'm showing you how I made 20k in just 4 trades using my premium algo trading bot. And the best part, you can do this to stick around, watch me and place live trades. And I will also reveal why this bot is a total game changer for anyone serious about trading. Alright, let's get started. I'm placing my first 5,000 trade using my AI-powered bot. The bot scans the market in real time, detects high probability trade opportunities, and executes trades automatically. And this bot is built on an advanced algorithm that analyzes market trends, patterns, and indicators in real time, making it way more accurate than manual trading. That's how we maximize our wins and minimize losses. And there we go, first win secured. That's a 5k profit in just 60 seconds. Let's go for the next win. Now it's time for trade number 2. The bot doesn't waste time, it just detects any other prime entry, and I'm looking at another 5k trade. No need to stress over charts all day. This bot is designed to work for you 24/7. It identifies the best trade, plays them, and even manages risk automatically. Boom, another winning trade. That's 10k profit so far. This is exactly why traders love this bot. Alright, let's lock in third trade. Another 5k trade, and we are aiming for another win. One of the biggest mistakes traders make is letting emotion take over, whether it's panicking, selling, or hesitating on a winning trade. But with this bot, every decision is calculated, strategic, and completely emotion-free. One last trade to wrap up this insane session. I'm placing my fourth and final 5k trade. Let's see if we can go 4 for 4. Yes, another win. That's a total of 20k profit in 4 trades. This AI bot is absolutely crushing it. If you are ready to start making money like this, then do not wait. Limited time offers are running on our website. We offer demo sessions for those who want to see the bot live in action. Get access to the bot today and start trading smarter. Click the link in the description. Like, comment, subscribe for the more insane live trading sessions and AI-powered strategies. Let's keep winning.